The internet is a shady place. We can't trust everything we see, including these viral hacks.
Ah!
I'm so romantic.
Moment of truth.
So I just learned that if you cut a cucumber in half and rub it against itself, it produces this bitter foam. And once this bitter foam comes out, your cucumber becomes less bitter. All right, let's test it out. It works.
Welcome back to our kitchen. It's not a weapon, this is a cucumber, guys, because we've got a cucumber hack. We've only got one cucumber, and how are we gonna test if it's bitter or not bitter? We're just gonna cut the tip off. I'm just gonna chop this part off. This is our control to see if it's gonna be bitter. And then this part, we'll do his hack.
Ooh.
Ooh. Ooh. Wait, oh my gosh, what is that?
It looks kind of nasty.
When do I stop? I guess
Okay.
it's out, right?
It's a bitter foam. Once
Bitter
it comes
foam?
out, it becomes less bitter. Also,
What about this side then? Okay, I'll do this side too, so then
Oh, I don't know why it looks wrong.
it does feel wrong. Ugh, it's on my hand. It's on my hand. I'm gonna wash it.
Wait, I feel like you should keep some of the foam so we can try it if it's bitter.
Oh, here.
Okay.
There's foam.
Are cucumbers even bitter? Good question.
I mean, sometimes, I guess the outside. I thought the outside was the bitter part, but we'll never know. Okay, you have that slice, I have this slice. So literally the ends that we... Wait, should we try the controlled first? Okay, this is the milked one. The milked side.
the rubbed one.
The rubbed one. Okay, definitely not bitter. Controlled.
It tastes exactly the same to me.
I can't taste the difference. I mean, it's not bitter. I don't know, guys. I think our taste buds aren't that refined, so we really can't taste the difference.
Yeah, it just tastes like cucumber. Fresh cucumber.
Okay, what if we just like both lick the foam and see if that's actually bitter? Okay. The foam isn't even bitter.
There's no taste. It's so bland.
I'm sorry, but I think that's probably unnecessary.
Yeah, why are you rubbing your cucumber?
Why? Just eat the cucumber. I'm just gonna say, look, cucumbers are great as is, so we don't need this hack.
Yeah.
Don't need.
How about I show you a way to eat mango hands-free? We're gonna start by making cuts one way like this.
How do you make such straight lines?
And then we're gonna go the other way, kind of like in a crisscross.
It's called a grid.
Now we're gonna slide it down the edge of a cup,
What?
just like this. And now you have mango pieces that you can eat with a fork.
So cut the cheek.
Is that what it's called?
The cheek? Yeah, I think you call it the cheek. Cut the cheek of the mango. Now she does like the lines. Did anyone else think that she was just gonna flip it? Because I was like, oh my god, she's going through the skin though, but I guess it doesn't matter. And you get a cup.
You got it?
I got it.
Ooh, you
Oh
got
my gosh,
it.
I got it. Oh,
Ooh.
did you see that?
Ooh.
Actually, it works. Okay, I see you. Oh my gosh, this is perfect if you're gonna do a drink as well, right? You might as well just eat from it.
Yeah.
Actually, pretty good. I think it's way better than flipping it like inside out. We go again.
But are your hands sticky?
I mean, not super. It's not as messy as you think.
There you go, you're on a roll.
I'm on a roll.
Oh,
Wow.
but I think you just need to make sure your mango's like really ripe. Like
Yeah,
soft and
you need a soft mango, guys. Do not do this with like a semi-ripe mango.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I could have gone a little bit
Yeah.
closer, but look, that's pretty good. Genius. Okay, double thumbs up. Actually, what do we do with the sides? Do we
Yeah,
try
just
it?
eat from it. Like,
Can we do it with the sides? Okay, not as easy to do with the sides because there's nothing to grip onto, but...
oh,
Oh! But you know what? It's like all over my hand.
hey.
Hey. Not bad.
Now you
Okay.
just have a cup full of mango.
Yes! Try it, guys. Try it out this summer.
Show me the life hack that you randomly saw one day that is now an unconscious standard practice in your life. I'll go first.
Do you actually think this works? I feel like it would work, right? It should work, right? That girl can't lie to us.
Yeah, I don't know what the science behind it is.
I'm putting just like chopped up capsicum, bell peppers into this sandwich bag. She just lowers it into the water, which pushes the air out. I think I need you to zip it. I'm so romantic. But you gotta push all the air out.
Oh, I still have to push it
As
out.
in like...
I can't even see. Yeah?
I think we could have gotten more air.
more.
We could have got more air.
But kinda like,
Kinda, it does work. I think maybe I just like keep submerging and then you like,
how do you roll it?
yeah, roll it. It keeps floating back up.
Wait.
Maybe I should have tried something heavier. Ooh!
That's like
It actually works, but I mean, better than just using your hands to push the air out. The water does the work for you, and it's not completely airtight, but it's way better than
your hands can do, I guess.
yes, your hands can do. Yeah. Who needs a airtight Ziploc sucking machine?
The only thing that bothers me is that it's wet now.
Yeah, now you gotta dry the whole bag. Like if you do this wrong,
Yeah.
the whole thing can get wet. Not bad though, not bad. I'm gonna give it a 1.
I'll
One
give it a
thumb.
side.
We love our strawberries, but do we like the little stem at the bottom or the top?
Some people eat it, I feel.
Yeah, you know what? Like, I just pick it off. It's not that inconvenient, but you could use a straw. So let's do this. Wait, just all the way. Like, see it?
Yeah, she just pushes the whole thing up.
Okay, this feels like wrong.
I feel like you're hurting the strawberry.
Yeah, no. Like,
Oh,
oh, I missed it. And then what do I do with that? Like, now I have a hole.
hey, try again.
I mean, clean. Okay, try again. Try not to miss.
Try to get it in the middle.
Ooh, better. Ooh, oh, you can still eat that part. It's like one of those like TikTok.
Go.
Doot. Kind of fun. Doot. Doot. You can eat it.
Oh, I feel like
That
you're
was a
getting
good one.
better.
I'm getting better. My aim is getting better.
Finding the center.
Okay.
I know, that's so cute.
That's, I know, it's like a little tree.
Ish.
What do we think?
I guess it does work.
It works. It works. Oh my god, I'm so good at this. I'm pro. I'm a pro.
We have holy strawberries now.
I mean, my thing was like, I didn't want to waste the core, but you can actually just pick it up and eat the core.
Yeah.
So if you were serving strawberries to guests and you know, you didn't want to just like pick it off or like cut it off, you could do this. It works. It works. I think there's a place and I think there's a hack. Wait, I think there's a place for this hack. Will I use it? Maybe in the future, maybe for Lila's birthday party where we invite all her friends over and I don't want to be like biting the tops off. You know, yeah, thumb it up.
Show me the life hack that you randomly saw one day that is now an unconscious standard practice in your life. I'll go first.
I love garlic, so I'm always willing to try a garlic hack out. This one seems pretty easy. You just cut it in the middle. It's hard to cut. Flip it. There's smashing required. Then you give it a smash.
Yeah, you just lost like...
I lost like half of them. Should we just smash them again like there? Like, oh, lost some more. Okay, let's pick it up. It didn't. Wait, maybe we gotta smash it more. Ah, they're gone. They're on the floor.
I knew this hack wouldn't work.
Oh, really? I had high hopes. Wow, am I just so like naive? I just believe the internet.
I feel like garlic hacks never work. People just end up having to do the
Like you just
hard
gotta,
way,
you gotta,
bulb by bulb.
if you want to eat garlic, you just gotta peel it. Okay, that was totally a flop. Flop. That did not work for me.
Step 1, pop open your head of garlic. I'll keep a control clove. Alright, I lost one down here somewhere. And we'll try to peel 3 that still have the skin fully intact. Could not be easier. Microwave. Garlic. 10 seconds. Other than being a little... I was gonna say a little warm. There's... Oh my god, it works so well. Holy... Okay, and for the other control clove, you need to bash it a little bit. It still comes off cleanly, but you saw these 3 just slide right off. This is a discovery worthy of the Nobel Prize. I'll just say it.
Let's not lose hope, guys. There must be an easier way to peel garlic. So you have your full garlic cloves here. Voila. No smashing required. You just pop them in the microwave. So I'm just gonna pop 2.
10 seconds.
10 seconds. Don't stand near the microwave. And then you're supposed to just be able to peel it. Okay, this is our controlled here. And then what?
Is it easier?
Not really. Did you cut the bottom off? No,
No, he didn't.
What?
Good, his one just like popped out.
Why didn't it work well for us? Do we need to microwave it more? Oh, this one. This one did. Oh, that one did. One actually worked. It like totally came off. But I think maybe because the other bulb was a little bit bigger, so it took longer to heat up or didn't heat up enough.
Microwave on.
Microwave all this.
I guess the microwave kind of releases the skin from it, right? Like, oh, maybe heat expands, right? The heat expands, so it expands the garlic, so it pushes the skin out. Science
for the day.
logical thinking.
No, I don't think this one's hot enough. No, this one's not hot enough. The skin didn't pop off.
Hey, I feel like this is a lie.
I think the heat, it depends on
I
the
feel
heat in
like-
your microwave. 10 seconds might not be enough for everyone. It's hot. Nah, a lie. This is a lie. Oh, is it a lie? It literally just popped off. Oh.
I don't know. The rest are so hard. And these are like half cut already.
You still have to peel it, but I don't know.
Nah.
No, I don't know, guys. It's like hit or miss, and it depends on how hot you get your garlic, I think.
Depends on your bowl.
I need you guys to try this one out because we're on the fence. We actually don't know if it fully works. Maybe it's a lucky dip. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. We're on the fence. We're on the fence.
Yeah.
Our tin is very well loved. It's actually a silicone mold. We don't need to line it, but for the purpose of this hack, we're gonna line it because that's the closest shape that I have. Okay.
I'm just trying to...
So...
like that, and then we fold it in half, right?
Right. Okay, that's a good length. And then she folds it. Is it half or three?
It's 1/2, yeah.
Is it half? Just half. But then she already cut it.
So she trimmed it?
She's clearly like done this before. It's not her first rodeo.
I reckon it's trimmed because it fits so nicely.
It's trimmed. Okay, well, yeah, okay. What is she measuring? I don't know what even she's like the
length of this.
the length of your tin. Cut around there. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and then
Okay, open.
we have to do this like step by step.
This is the new
Open.
attention span. Okay, open, flip it, and then she just pushes it in.
Pushes it down. And then it should naturally just...
It should just look like hers. Oh.
Oh.
Yeah, I mean ours is just ours. We need to nail the measurement, but I do get the foldy bit. This side worked well. Look, guys, this side worked well because it was shorter. This one had a little bit more excess. We just need to cut around that.
It's like the worst.
Okay, yeah. You know what?
The idea is there.
The idea is there, guys. It works. You just need to watch the TikTok and pause it. Do it step by step. Ta-da! With one brain cell, half combined, it actually works. Double thumbs up. Whoa, look at our big girl. She just got home from a holiday with her daddy, huh? I haven't seen you all week. I miss you guys so much. Can you believe she's 4 now?
She's so big.
She's so...
like my height.
She's 4. How old are you? Yeah. You just woke up. No wonder you're so mellow and chill. Mommy's cooking and then we can play together, okay?
I'll do it myself.
This is a hack for all you weaklings out there, us included. We got a nice can of diced tomatoes. All you need is a nifty spoon, right? Put it under, flip the tab up, right? So you don't break a nail.
Slot the body in.
Slot.
Okay, yeah.
Hold on. Skinny spoon.
Oh yeah, she's
Yes, skinny. Turn it around. Lift.
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 Wait, am I
So
holding?
much for this is for weaklings, but we're still
This is where I'm still a weakling. Oh, okay. I guess a little bit of a less struggling. Wait, struggle. I'm struggling talking today. It's less of a struggle. Like if you've got long nails, if you don't want to like chip a nail or whatever, do this hack.
And you need to find like, what if your can's really small, like the open?
Yeah, exactly. If you have big spoons, I'm sorry, you're just gonna have to chip a nail. Now that I know that I have a spoon, I would probably use this. Actually, would use this
Thumb
hack.
up.
Yeah, thumb this up. Double thumbs. I would actually use this.
Lay a wooden spoon across your pot when cooking pasta. Your water will never boil over again.
The spoon hack. I think this actually works.
Seen it?
I feel like I've seen people do this hack. Have I done it myself? I think I've tried it with chopsticks, but basically you just want to like have something over the pot to prevent it from boiling over.
But somehow it has to be wooden, right?
Does it have to be wood? I mean, if it's metal, it'll just be hot. And now we wait. I'm hunched over. Just so I could be in frame, guys. Skinny arms, skinny arms, skinny arms. Pop that over.
See if you boil over or not.
It's getting higher. Building up. Do we have to clean up? It's a moment of truth.
Wait a minute.
No. I mean, it boiled over, but it's kind of like steady.
It's kind of like holding its ground.
Yeah, it's
right?
holding. It's holding up. No, not okay. Like the back.
Oh, never mind. I see it. It's wet.
I think basically it kind of prevents a huge mess. Does it still make a mess? Yes, but not a huge mess.
Maybe it helps prevent, so you see it and then
Yeah.
you have time to diffuse the
Yeah,
situation.
you basically still need to watch what you're cooking. I mean, it does work. Were we expecting like no mess? Yes.
Yes.
I'm just gonna give it like a half.
Yeah, I'll give it a side.
let's not lose hope. I'm hoping this next hack is gonna work. Oil, kitchen paper towel, squirt, squirt, squirt. You wanna just oil the edge here. Is that enough oil?
Oil and water don't mix.
Right? Is the
Logic?
oil gonna repel? Okay, we shall
Okay.
see. It's oiled. Let her boil.
Yeah, you can see.
Oh, if she's moving up. Ah!
So it doesn't work?
It doesn't work. I thought it wasn't supposed to move up.
I thought it will like stay at the top.
Do you think?
No?
Mommy's trying this hack to see if it doesn't make a mess.
Oh,
Oh,
look, it's not.
it's staying. What? It's kind of staying.
Oh my god.
I mean, it's
Oh, wait,
still
wait.
dripping.
No, it's dripping.
Okay,
Oh, it's dripping.
okay.
Hey, but actually, I feel like this is better than the spoon.
It actually did something. The oil definitely did something. Kind of similar to the spoon. It kind of just held the bubbles there, but it did end up
Hot.
hot. Yeah, I got hot pasta. But it did boil over a little bit. So I guess these measures you can take to
Yeah.
prevent big messes. Again, another half.
I think this one is half for me.
I
Better
want
than.
to do the bubbles again.
You want to do the bubbles again? Okay. Well, we do have to cook the pasta. That's all the hacks that we have for you guys today. We also did part 1, part 2, part 3. So go check it out. Our favorite top hacks today would be mango.
Mango.
And the can. The can was actually genius. I'm so mad that the garlics don't work though.
I never trust the garlic.
Don't trust what you see on the internet. But trust us. We're on the internet. Wait, I'm contradicting
Okay,
you.
trust only us.
No, but you never trust someone that says trust me.
This is what
It's
reverse
reverse psychology. Don't trust anyone on the internet, including us. But if you want to, then
At your own discretion.
don't forget to thumb this video. These are our social media handles. Tag us if you guys want to try us. Try us. Don't try us. Okay. These are our social media handles. Tag us in any hacks you want us to try next.
Any hacks that you don't want to waste your time on, we will waste it for you.
We have time to waste. Subscribe if you guys are new here, and we shall speak to you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.